So this is our one cream wonder and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So you want to start by taking about a 5p piece amount on your ring finger. Oh, look at that texture, it's so dreamy. And then you sweep it onto your face and down your neck too. And then you want to use gentle circular motions just to work it into place. Now this texture is silky and luxurious and delivers the most beautiful, nourishing and conditioning effect to your skin, and also helps to seal all the other products you've applied beforehand into place for maximum results. It's also infused with a really gentle form of retinol, which is my favourite ingredient because it helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, plump, tone and rejuvenate your skin. You can use it both morning and night as long as you've got your SPF on top in the morning, and it's completely fragrance free and suitable for all skin types.